Welcome to the Facts on File tutorial, which is one of the databases at Iowa Lakes Community College. Facts on File contains many different databases which you can search separately. Use this database if you're looking for information on current issues, current news topics and from the past, science topics, issues in American history, literature, and films. I am doing a separate tutorial on films on demand, so it will not be covered in this tutorial. Issues and Controversies covers in-depth reports of today's top issues. You can do a keyword search or browse the issues index. There is a recent controversy scroll bar that can be accessed by clicking on the topic. A pro or con statement is given at the beginning of each article with information to support each viewpoint. On the right side, related coverage offers extra information on the topic. Each article can be printed, saved, shared, or read aloud with citation given in MLA or Chicago style. On the home page, each of the topics listed will bring up issues relating to that topic and pro, con statements along with evidence to support that topic. Today's Science covers current science topics in the news. You can do a search on a topic or click on the topic index. I will type in cloning and do a search on it. My results are 93 entries. You can arrange the entries by relevance, newest to oldest, oldest to newest, or title. I will click newest to oldest and select the first article. Each in-depth article can be printed off, emailed, saved to a folder, or read aloud. At the bottom of the page is a citation for MLA, APA, or Chicago style. On the right is a listing of related content items for more information. The home page also features articles, video news briefs, conversations with scientists, and research topics available to view. Clicking on the Resource tab gives information about evaluating or analyzing sources and writing research papers. World News Digest covers current news topics and past news dating back to the 1940s. There's a featured story or recent featured stories which can be read in more detail by clicking on the heading. Each article can be printed, emailed, saved, or listened to. The citation is for MLA or Chicago style. Other options listed are topics in the news, countries in the news, key news by decade, historical documents, featured facts and statistics, and featured biographies. Issues and Controversies in American History has a subject index or an era index, which can be used to narrow your search results. A simple and advanced search option is also available. Each article will bring up the issue relating to that subject, background information, case for or against, conclusion, bibliography, and a listing of primary sources. Again, you can print, email, save, click the citation for MLA or Chicago style, increase or decrease the font size. In Bloom's Literature, you can do an author search or a works by author search. You can also browse by topics or themes. I will type in Ernest Hemingway and do a search. The next screen shows all results, or you can limit your results to biographies, overviews and synopsis, analysis and criticism, topics and themes, or images and videos. By selecting an article, you can save, email, print, increase or decrease the font, and find the citation for that article. At the bottom of the page, you can browse by time period, genre, or the author's last name. There's also a Writer's Reference Center to help you write your papers. There are dictionaries and thesauruses available, plus writing tips on how to write a good essay paper. Included are grammar and punctuation, rules for review, and a guide to documents and research. You can access the Facts on File databases from the college webpage at iowalakes.edu. Select Student Services, then the Library link. Facts on File is listed on Find Articles. Bloom's References is on the Find Books link, and the Writer's Reference is on the Tools and Research link. All of our databases are available for students to use both on campus and off campus. To use off campus, you will need a username and password, which is available from the college libraries. This concludes the presentation on Facts on File.